Good day, everyone. Today I am going to show you how to solve a hyperbola, specifically how to turn its general form to standard form and vice versa, meaning the standard form to general form also. So I will be showing you different problems and my other teammates will be the ones who will solve them. So the first one that we're going to tackle is turning the general form into standard form.
So for this example, we have 3x squared minus y squared plus 18x plus 4y is equal to negative 35. So for us to turn this into standard form, we're going to have a lot of process. So 3x squared plus 18x minus y squared plus 4y, and we're going to copy negative 35. So after this, since we have a number next to x squared, we're going to factor number 3. Now, since we added new numbers from each side, we're also gonna add the numbers to the next side. So to sum all of this up, we're just going to find the sum of this. So negative 35 plus 27 minus 4 is equal to negative 12. So now we already have this. We can turn this into a standard formula. So we're going to copy 3x. So the last number we just added, we're going to square it. So 9 squared, we have 3. And then we're going to put square it. And then minus copy y plus 4 squared is 2, so y plus 2 squared. We're going to copy also negative 12, so negative 12. So from this, we can easily turn this hyperbola equation into a standard form by dividing both sides by negative 12, since this should be equal to 1. So negative 12 divided by negative 12. Y plus 2 squared divided by negative 12. 3x plus 3 squared divided by negative 12. So here, negative 12 divided by 4. So we have negative 4. So if you turn this, you're going to negative x plus 3 squared over 4. Then same with here. Since we have negative sign here, we're also going to include this. So negative 12 divided by negative sign, so we have positive 12. So copy y plus 2 squared over positive 12. And then lastly, negative 12 divided by negative 12, so we have 1. Therefore, this is our standard equation for this general equation.
So we're going to transform this equation from general form to standard form. The first step we need to do is by arranging it by variables. So the equation will be 4x squared minus 24x minus 25y squared equals 64. And the next thing we're going to do is going to factor 4 from 4x squared minus 24x. So it will be 4 times x squared minus 6x. So if we define y, we're not going to factor it because there's no other y variable for that. So our answer will be 4 times x squared minus 6x minus 25y equals 64. Since we added 9 to this equation, we're going to add a number on the other side. So by doing that, we're gonna have to multiply 9 by 4, which is equal by 36. So the equation will be now 4 times x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 25y equals 64 plus 6. And since 64 plus 36 is equals to 100, our equation will be 4 times x squared minus 6x plus 9 negative minus 25y squared equals to 100. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to transform this equation into a binomial. So by doing that, we're going to have to find the square root of 9, which is 3, and also copy the sign of this number right here. So it will be negative 3. So since we got that already, so our equation now is 4 times x minus 3 squared minus 25y squared equals to 100. So remember, in our standard form of this equation, it will always be equal to 1. So we need to make 100 equal to 1. So in order to get that, we must divide both sides by 100. So 100 divided by 100 is equals to 1. And 4 times x minus b squared divided by 100 equals to x minus b squared of 45. And then divide negative 25y squared by 100. And it will be negative y squared over 4. So our final answer for this equation is x minus 3 squared equals over 5 minus y squared over 4 is equal to 1.
Thank you for that. Now, let's tackle how to turn the standard form into general form.
So this is how you solve standard general form. So we have example number 1 is x squared over 25 minus y squared over 11 equals 1. So this is how you're gonna do it. From this is how you need to times you need to times the 25 and 11 to everything from left to right. This will be the result. So the 25 will cancel with the same denominator, so numerator and denominator. So the 25 will cancel the 25 and also the 11 will cancel the 11. And here you will type it 25 times 11, then times 1, so it will be 275. And what's left on here is 11x squared minus 25y squared. Then the 275, you will need to transpose it because the 275, you will need to transpose it to make it a 0. So here we have the 11x squared minus 25y squared minus 275. Why we got 275? Because you transpose it, so it's equal to 0. So that's how you solve the standard form to general form.
On the second example, we have y minus 3 squared over 16 minus x plus 4 squared over 9 equals 1. The first step is to find the LCD. We will multiply 16 and 9. So 16 times 9 equals 144. 144 divided by 16 equals 9. Copy the numerator. 144 divided by 9 equals 16. Copy x plus 4 squared. To solve y minus 3 squared and x plus 4 squared, we will use the FOIL method. So y times y equals y squared. Y times negative 3 equals negative 3y. Negative 3 times y equals negative 3y. Negative 3 times negative 3 equals 9. So y squared minus 6y plus 9. X times x equals x squared. X times 4 equals 4x. 4 times x times equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So x squared plus 8x plus 16. We will substitute our answer to y minus 3 squared and x plus 4 squared. So it will be 9 times y squared minus 16y plus 9 minus 16 times x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 144. So now, we can distribute 9 and 16 inside the parentheses. Transpose 144. we will add the constant term, which is 81 plus negative 128 plus negative 144 equals negative 319. Our answer here is 9y squared minus 54y minus 16x squared minus 128x minus 319 equals 0. To get the final answer, we will arrange this into standard form. So it will be negative 16x squared minus 128x plus 9y squared minus 54y minus 319 equals 0.
Thank you for listening and watching Lessons with SAAT. I hope you learned something about hyperbolas and how to turn them into any kind of forms. See you next time!